want some man who knows how to love me and knows how to love me right. Some man who knows how to please me, squeeze me and hold me tight. It doesn't matter whether he's short or tall, 'cause all I want from him most of all is plenty of good loving, good loving, good loving. That's what I want now. I want some